People have been asking me what I use to make my blog videos. Apart from my Insta360 Go and Insta360 One X, what else am I using to capture my story with? Well, it's an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and today that audio is also being captured with the Apogee mic. I'm recording on both of those devices right now. One of the reasons I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max is because, well, if you remember back to the September launch last year at the keynote, a guy from FiLMIC Pro was on stage talking about how you could take feeds from the multiple cameras on the phone, that's 4, with the 3 on the back, the ultra wide, the standard and the telephoto lens, and the selfie cam 2, and you could record from 2 cameras at the same time. Sold, I thought to myself. So you can imagine my disappointment when I found out that it wasn't actually possible. Until now. Today I'm going to walk you through my short tutorial on DoubleTake, a new app from FiLMIC Pro which finally enables the multicam recording option that we've been waiting for. And the best news is that instead of integrating it into their paid app, they made it available in a separate app, and it's available for free. Hi, my name's Saab Johal, and thanks for joining me on my channel showcasing light and easy mobile video making and gear. If you enjoy this video and get some value from it, please give it a like, drop me a comment down below, and consider subscribing. Cheers. Okay, let's jump into my tutorial on what you can do with DoubleTake and what I think about it. I'm going to run through how the app works, some of the settings, and show you exactly what the footage looks like. So when you click on this little lens icon here on the bottom left, this will take you to a screen where you can see all 4 cameras operating and streaming what they are seeing. You can see that there's the ultra wide, the telephoto, and the selfie lens. The cameras that are active have the yellow border and are in color. The others have no yellow border and are in black and white. This helps you to be sure which cameras you are selecting that you want to be active. Now you can choose 2 camera feeds, an A camera and a B camera. So let me choose my ultra wide as my A camera and my selfie cam as the B camera in this example. Now you can also change the frame rate down here. At the moment this only has 3 options, 24, 25 and 30 frames per second. Now let me choose 25 because that's what I usually render out in LumaFusion, and that's also the frame rate of the standard 5.7K capture on the Insta360 One X. Alright, here's where the fun and creative potential really starts to kick in. There are a few different options when you click the recording top icon here in the top right. Press it once and you get the PIP option, or picture in picture. Let's explore that first by selecting PIP and hitting confirm. Right, now you can see the larger background feed is the A cam, which in this case is the ultra wide camera feed, and the smaller PIP window is my selfie cam. And if I hit the record icon, which is the white circle just here, then what I record is exactly what I have on the screen here. Now you can see that I can move myself around in the selfie cam to various different anchor points, so I can make sure that I can give you the display I want you to see. If you want to choose a focus and exposure point on the selfie cam to make sure it's all sharply focused and properly exposed, then I can hit and tap on what I want to focus on, and I want to lock on the focal length and the exposure value too. It can't track, not yet. And then I tap again and I get a yellow square. And the cool thing is that that's now locked, and I can independently do that with the A cam feed too. They work independently of each other. I can take the B cam, or selfie cam in this case, full screen, and I can also swipe it up or down to hide it and bring it back by tapping the arrow icon, as well as minimizing it by tapping the minimize button in the upper right hand corner. The thing to remember here is that in PIP mode, the feed is captured in just one file in your library and requires no editing. It's a straight recording of whatever you had on screen when you're recording your footage. This means that if you move your PIP around, hide it off screen, or even take it full screen, this is saved to the final recording. So let's take a look at the final clip. As you can see, everything I did on screen is faithfully captured, and this eliminates the need for lengthy post-production and makes for some exciting new storytelling possibilities. I'm looking forward to see what you post and tell me about in your comments below. Be sure to link me to your videos. I know I'm looking forward to be able to film some both wide angle establishment shots and a close-up all at the same time. And I can't wait to see actually how my moment lenses might work with this too. More about that in another video. Okay, let me walk you through the next camera mode. Let's return to the main camera view and press the mode button again to enter the split screen mode. Now, just like the PIP mode, this saves a single file to the library and requires no editing in post-production and accurately reflects what you see on the screen. In split mode, each half of the screen has its own focus and exposure reticle, and these can even be set and locked at exactly the same time. Now this is going to be great for interviews and other uses like that. I'm actually looking forward to be able to doing that so long as I can get a mic sound solution sorted out, so that I don't have to audio sync in post, which would kind of defeat the object of making this a simple operation. So if you've got any ideas about that, do let me know. Okay, here's the third and final mode, known as Discrete mode. In this mode, DoubleTake will actually save two separate video files. If I start a recording, I can move my pip around, hide it off screen, recall it, and take it full screen. However, when I end the recording and open the library, you will see I have two discrete files saved. So it doesn't matter what you did with your B camera pip, the camera feeds, both of them, are captured in their entirety, and it doesn't matter if your B cam was off screen or not. Now this shooting mode is ideal if you need full control of your multicam experience in post-production and you want to choose how you're going to put that together. Okay, let's end recording and let's take a look at DoubleTake's library by tapping the button in the upper left. Now to save a clip to the iOS Photos app and make it available for other apps, tap the clip selector and add one or more clips to your selection, then tap on the camera roll icon. And to share a clip directly to another app, make a selection and tap the share icon, which will launch the iOS share target sheet, or I can airdrop them to another device. Now, just a note here, while you can download DoubleTake on older devices, Apple does not support multicam on them, and they are limited to a single cam capture only. And at the moment, DoubleTake only captures at 1080p, which is fine. And I'm really hoping though that we get a 4K version of this really soon, though I expect with the processing power that might require, this might have to wait until the next generation of iPhones, or maybe even 2 generations even. But I'd love to be proved wrong, and I see that upgrade happen in a few weeks or so. I know it's something I'd probably be willing to pay a few dollars for. You never know, FiLMIC Pro might be saving that particular option for integration into their paid app, but as far as I know, this is a core limitation of the API itself. I'll be interested to see what other apps emerge using the Multicam API. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember to like this video if you've liked it, and subscribe for more videos and click notifications so you know when I've posted more. Cheers and go well.